I just cleaned this. I'm going to check for loose components. And one of the best tools in the world for troubleshooting an amp is to get your drummer's drumstick. Okay, we're back, and like I was saying, one of the best tools in the world for troubleshooting is your drummer's drumstick right here. It's wood. That means it does not conduct electricity. So what you can do is if you've got a probe around on the board, you can use this to look for anything that can generate noise. You can look for intermittent problems. You can tap on the board, watch your signal on the scope, and see if you got any type of problem. Like right now, I'm going to test that pot cleaning. Seems nice and clean right now. You got a dirty socket. Yeah. Little friction test on the tubes. You can just make sure everything's real tight. And most of all, you put the signal in here from the signal generator and watch it on your scope. If you get someplace on the board where there's a suspected loose component, okay, we just have something there, a little spit, and tap on it with something wooden, like a drumstick, you'll see it show up on the scope. If you don't, then you got a nice circuit. It's just a little inexpensive tool that you can use a lot, because even before you get scientific with your voltage measurements and signal analysis and all that stuff, you can eyeball a board a lot of times and see what the problem is. You can see a wire off, you can see a burnt place, you can see where there's been a lot of heat generated over time, you can see a component pulled off from the board. It's endless. So use your eyes and your nose and your ears, and you can see a lot of problems sometimes the minute you pop the back.